Okay, got that TLC 372 back in circuit. I just noticed the one next to it, it's got brown stuff around it as well. Oh God, I might have to pull that one out. Look at the other chips. Nothing on those, just these. Yeah, see, I've cleaned up the board. It's all clean under there. I stuck it back on. And what I actually do with these, I hit them with a paint pen. So be careful what you use, because if it's conductive in any way, shape or form, it won't work. So, oopsie, there we go. I use this thing, Uni Paint marker. Oops, there we go. No, there it is, paint pen. Shake it up and oh, anyway, gotta turn it on. So obviously it wants to work. These are very sensitive, like if I stuck my fingers there and touched the pins, or touch the legs on the IC, it'll probably turn the detector off. That's actually what was happening. So the GPX 4500 lives again. If I do enough of these videos on the detectors, you'll probably get to know what all the parts are. So, yeah. Sounds all right. Give it a bit of a test. There. It's a worker. Anyway, that's that. Might have to pull the other chip off that's next to it and clean that one up. Catches.